Hello again, future top notchers. Welcome to part 4 of our Let Review series on general education. So, in this session, we'll tackle another set of actual Let questions with rationalization. So, this part will continue strengthening your understanding of topics across English, Filipino, math, science, and social studies. So, grab your notebook and pen, and it's time to practice and improve. Let's get started. Number one, modern taxonomy is to Carl Linnaeus as ancient taxonomy is to blank. Letter A, Plato. Letter B, Sophocles. Letter C, Socrates. Or letter D, Aristotle. The correct answer is letter D, Aristotle. So Aristotle is known as the father of ancient taxonomy because he was the first to classify living organisms based on observable characteristics, dividing them into groups such as plants and animals. So Aristotle. Carlos Linnaeus, on the other hand, is known as the father of modern taxonomy. He developed the binomial nomenclature system, the genus and species naming. Okay, so for letters A and C, these two people are philosophers but not known for contributions to biological classification. And Sophocles for letter B is a playwright, not a scientist. So the best answer is letter D. Number two, the two waste products of the citric acid cycle are blank. Letter A, hydrogen. Letter B, water and carbon dioxide. Letter C, carbon dioxide and hydrogen. Or letter D, water and nitrogen. The correct answer is letter C, carbon dioxide and hydrogen. So during the citric acid cycle, based on Krebs cycle, the body breaks down acetyl-CoA to release energy. So the process produces carbon dioxide. This is the release as a waste gas, and also hydrogen atoms are transferred to carrier molecules for use in the electron transport chain. Okay, so that's why the two waste products are carbon dioxide and hydrogen. For letter A, this is wrong because hydrogen is an incomplete answer. We have another waste product, the carbon dioxide. For letter B, water and carbon dioxide are wrong because water is mainly produced later in the electron transport chain, not directly in the citric acid cycle. And for letter D, water and nitrogen is wrong because nitrogen is not a product of the cycle. So therefore, the best answer is C. Number three, the characters in Rizal's novel symbolize the varied reactions towards the colonizers from blank. Letter A, United States. Letter B, China. Letter C, Spain. Or letter D, Japan. The correct answer is letter C, Spain. So the characters in Jose Rizal's novels, The Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo, represents the different attitudes and reactions of Filipinos towards Spanish colonization. So through these characters, Rizal illustrated the social injustices, abuses, and struggles experienced under Spanish rule. Okay. For letter A, United States is wrong because the US colonization happened after Rizal's time. China is not related to the context of his novels, while Japan did not colonize the Philippines during Rizal's lifetime. Number four, what is the amount due on 12,000 pesos after adding an annual interest of 8% for 3 years? Alright, the correct answer is Letter A. So let's solve this step by step carefully. So please read what's written on the screen. Okay, so you may take a screenshot of it because I'm not good at like explaining math problems. So you can take screenshot and study about this. Okay, let's move on to the next number. Number 5, element X has an electron configuration of 1s, 2s, and 2p. Based on information, element X belongs to an blank. Letter A, inert gas. Letter B, coinage. Letter C, halogen. Or letter D, alkaline metal. The correct answer is letter C, halogen. Okay. So this is the explanation for that. So you can read this one because I'm not good at explaining science as well because my major is social studies. So you can take screenshot of this one. Don't worry, this question is carefully explained with the help of my friend. So you can study more about this on your own. Number 6, tulukuwit ang bantas na ginagamit sa paghiwalayin ng mga patlang. Letter A, parirala. Letter B, pangungusap. Letter C, sugnay. Or letter D, salita. The correct answer is letter C, sugnay. So, ang tuldukuwit, uh, ito ang itsura ng tuldukuwit. So, I will just draw on the screen like that, may tuldok at may kuwit. So ito ay ginagamit upang paghiwalayin ang mga sugnay sa isang pangungusap na magkaugnay ang diwa. Ngunit maaring tumindig ng mag-isa bilang mga pangungusap. Okay. So, halimbawa, malinis siya sa katawan, tuldukuit, maayos din siyang manamit. So, like, ang dalawang bahagi ay parehong sugnay na makapag-iisa, kaya pinaghiwalay ng tuldukuit. Parirala for letter A is mali dahil ang parirala ay walang buong diwa. Okay. Pangungusap naman for letter B ay mali dahil tuldok ang ginagamit sa paghiwalay ng mga pangungusap. Salita, letter D ay mali dahil ang quit ang karaniwang ginagamit sa paghiwalay ng mga salita sa hanay. Number 7. The indigenous people of Pampanga, Tarlac, Zambales are the blank. Letter A, Igorots. Letter B, Mangyans. Letter C, Aitas. Or letter D, Dinagats. The correct answer is letter C, Aitas. So, ang Aitas or also known as Agta or Negritos, they are the indigenous people found mainly in the mountainous regions of Pampanga, Tarlac, and Zambales. So they are known as they are known for their distinct physical features, nomadic lifestyle, and deep connection to nature. Okay, Aita is the best answer. Igorots for letter A, these indigenous groups are from Cordillera region, like in northern Luzon, not in central Luzon. Mangyan, on the other hand, or Manguyans are indigenous people of Mindoro, not Pampanga or Zambales. And Dinagats, this refers to people from Dinagat Islands in Mindanao. Number 8, ang wastong kahulugan ng waste not, want not ay patlang. Letter A, maghintay. Letter B, magtipid. Letter C, magsaya. Or letter D, magtrabaho. Okay, ang correct answer ay magtipid. So, ang kasabihang waste not want not ay nangangahulugang kung hindi ka mag-aaksaya, hindi ka maghikahos. So, ipinapayo nito ang pagtitipid at wastong paggamit ng mga bagay upang maiwasan ang kakapusan o pangangailangan sa hinaharap. Okay. Number 9. If the student has an average of 76% on his first two tests and has an average of 85% on the next four tests, what is the final average? Letter A, 82%, letter B, 81.3%, letter C, 82.59%, or letter D, 82.5%. Okay, the correct answer is letter A, 82.0% or 82%. Number 10, 30 days have September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31, except February, which alone has 28. This nursery rhyme provides the memory cue for the number of days in each month of the year. So this memory aid is called blank, letter A, mnemonics, letter B, riddle, letter C, acronym, or letter D, proverb. The correct answer is letter A, mnemonics. So a mnemonic is a memory aid used to help remember information, often in the form of a rhyme, phrase, or acronym. Letter A. So the rhyme about the number of days in each month is a classic mnemonic. So why the others are incorrect? I mean the other choices for riddle, it's incorrect because riddle is a puzzle or question meant to be solved, not primarily for memory. For letter C, acronym is wrong because acronym is a word formed from the first letters of the series of words. Like for example, NASA, like that. Acronym is not a rhyme. Proverb is a short, traditional saying expressing a general truth or advice, not necessarily a memory aid. So the best answer is letter A. Number 11. A living organism thrives best in its blank. Letter A, geography. Letter B, habitat. Letter C, colony. Or letter D, settlement. Okay, the best answer is letter B, habitat. So, a habitat is a natural environment where a living organism lives, grows, and thrives. So, habitat provides the necessary resources like food, water, shelter, and suitable conditions for the survival of all living organisms. So, let's discuss the other choices. Geography, this refers to the study of Earth's features, not a specific environment of an organism. Colony for letter C is a group of the same species living together, not the environment itself. While settlement is a community where humans live, so this is not applicable to natural organisms. So the best answer is habitat. Number 12, ang mga salitang saliw, maestra at gabay ay mga patlang. Letter A, patinig. Letter B, hiatus. Letter C, diphthongo. Or letter D, katinig. Okay, ang correct answer ay letter C, diphthongo. So, diphthongo ay kombinasyon ng dalawang magkasunod na patinig sa iisang katinig. Karaniwang patinig plus semi-vowel like hal, aw, ay, oy, iw, iw. So, sa mga salitang saliw, may iw na diphthongo. Sa maestra ay may uh, extra. Ito ay isang diphthongo pa rin. Gabay, ito ay may ah, salitang ay na isa ding diphthongo. So, Ang best answer for this one ay diptongo. So, bakit mali ang ibang choices? Ang patinig, ito ay individual na titik na binibikas ng bukas ang bibig like a, e, i, o, o. Hindi ito isang kombinasyon gaya ng diptongo. Ang hiatus naman ay magkasunod na patinig na magkahiwalay na pantig. Okay. At ang katinig ay tunog ng may hadlang sa daloy ng hangin. Ito ay hindi tumutukoy sa kombinasyon ng patinig. Number 13. What is the coefficient in the expression 18x to the power of 3 y to the power of 3? Letter A, 18. Letter B, x. Letter C, 3. Letter D, 1. Okay, the correct answer is letter A. So please read the explanation in the next slide. Okay, so you can screenshot this one and study about this. All right. So next, let's proceed to the next number. Number 14. The social trends. How do you call those who are for the revival of the classics? Okay, in social trends. Letter A, reformist. Letter B, humanist. Letter C, rationalist. Or letter D, existentialist. Okay, the best answer is letter B, humanist. So humanists are thinkers who, especially during the Renaissance, advocated for the revival of classical literature, art, and learning from ancient Greece and Rome. So humanists emphasize human potential. They emphasize education and culture. Okay, so letter B is the best answer. Why the others are incorrect for letter A for reformists. Reformists focuses on making changes or reforms in society or institutions. Okay, for letter C, rationalist, they emphasizes reasons and logic as the primary source of knowledge. And for letter D, existentialist focuses on individual existence, freedom, and choice. Okay, the best answer is letter B. Number 15. The night before his execution, Rizal's genius was manifested in his poem Mi Ultimo Adios, which is classified as blank. Letter A, haiku. Letter B, elegy. Letter C, epic. Or letter D, sonnet. Okay, the correct answer is letter D, sonnet. So, Mi Ultimo Adios is written in sonnet form, which is a 14-line poem traditionally used to express personal emotions or thoughts, so often about love or reflection. Okay, so Sarizal's poem reflects his love for country and farewell before his execution. So this one fits the sonnet structure. So let's discuss the other choices. Why are they incorrect? Letter A, haiku. Haiku is a short Japanese poem of 3 lines and 17 syllables. Okay, so that's wrong. Letter B, elegy. Elegy, um, there are like debates about this question of which like what is the best answer, elegy or sonnet, but majority answered sonnet because while the poem Ultimo Adios mourns his impending death, its structure is a sonnet, so this is not a general elegy. Okay, for letter C, epic is a long narrative poem about heroic like doings or like deeds. So, which Mi Ultimo Adios is not. Okay, so the best answer is letter D. Okay, and that's a wrap for part 4 of our let review for today. So how did you score this time? Comment below your results and let us know which areas you want to focus on next. So if you want to continue with part 5, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And like keep practicing, stay focused, and remember, consistent review is the key to acing the let. So see you in our next videos, future top notchers. Bye bye.